Okay, so in this video I am going to go over the voice recognition feature that is available in Google Docs. If you have a Gmail account, then you can use this free. So to use, you simply log on with your Gmail and you then click on Tools, Voice Typing. And there you have your menu appear, your little menu box, your dictation box. And it's just a simple case of enabling the microphone. If you're using this for the first time in Google Chrome, you will get a notice appearing to request access to your microphone. Just simply enable that and then press the recorder. Hello, my name is Mark, and today I am giving a demonstration on the benefits of using Google Voice Typing. Full stop. As you can see, it is quite responsive. It requires an internet connection to use and is an excellent tool, in my opinion, for those students that have a difficulty with input and are exploring options in terms of voice recognition for the first time. Full stop. And there we have it. So as you can see there, it's never makes a spelling mistake. That's generally the case with all of the voice recognition tools, Microsoft Word Dictate, and the proprietary tools like Dragon Voice Recognition. They never make a spelling mistake, but what they can do is put a word in out of context. I haven't actually reviewed that text there now, but as you can see as well, some grammatical challenges there that need to be fixed. So need to put in the capital for a new sentence. It's suggesting a comma. So this tool here that I have is just a grammar checking tool. There's lots of them there. There's Microsoft Editor that you can plug in. And that's basically a quick overview of it. Now, one of the other useful features that I like with this Google Voice Typing tool is the ability to dictate into other languages. If I go and click on the menu bar there are lots of different languages. So for instance, let's try out Spanish. Me llamo Marco Antonio y vivo en Irlanda. Mi pasatiempo favorito es la guitarra española. Mi pasatiempo favorito es la guitarra española. Oh, there's an element of inaccuracy there, but I guess that's to do with my proficiency in Spanish. And let's just try out other languages there. French. Bonjour, je m'appelle Marc et je suis irlandais. J'aime le sport, j'aime le tennis et j'aime le football. And as I said, again, quite a useful tool if you have students that are learning for other languages in school and so forth, or if you wish to dictate in your native language and then use the transcription feature to transcribe into English, another method there. But again, there's so many different languages: Italian, Norwegian, Dutch. And this feature, really, the dictation to other languages in Google Voice Typing, it's probably one of the better ones in terms of choice and so forth. And that is basically it. Again, an excellent introduction to voice recognition. If you have a Gmail account, then it's free to use. So that's the end of this video tutorial, and thank you for watching.